Okay. Good people. Yes, welcome to the weekend analysis. And it's another day, actually another weekend. So as usual, I'm going to share analysis on gold. So this is gold spot, and I'm going to provide the highlight of the market for coming. This is a 5 days market move, and this will be from 23rd of October to 27th of October. So actually, this is overall projection. So what you're supposed to do, you have to do your own analysis, and also you have analysis from other traders. Basically, what I'm doing here is just a technical analysis, and based on the trend lines, I do the support and the resistance, and I include the wave counts now, the ELLIOTT waves. So I'm sure that you will be able to identify those key levels or those important points to consider for the coming week. So basically, I do what you call the top-down analysis. Now, from the monthly time frame, I go down deeper to 4-hour time frame, and sometimes I do the 1 hour and the 30 minutes. Now, this is based on now the market structure on the particular week. For the purpose of this analysis, I'll not be analyzing the 1 hour and the 30 minutes, so I'll end up with the 4-hour time frame. So if it's just your first time visiting this channel, so remember it is over 3 years now. We have been sharing those analysis. So if it's just your first time, make sure that you subscribe this channel, and also put a comment if you have any question or you have any addition or any suggestion, and also like this video if you feel like it is helpful, and also you can share. And also yeah, that is powerful. Let's go. So let me start with the monthly time frame. So straight now, in monthly time frame, we see now October is a powerfully bullish month. But basically, what you can consider here is just now this power is like what happened on March. So there's comparison or there's equality now. So now they start at the same place. And currently this month is approaching the level where the monthly candle on March was reversed. So basically, this is the psychological level. So as we go deeper in lower time frames, I'm going to highlight now the psychological level, and you'll find that at the same time, this level is a technical level. So there are two things that are important to consider at this level. So now, turning on my wave counts and drawing, so we'll find that we are looking the same thing now. We have the triangle structure, and at the same time now, last week I was talking about this level here. So basically, we have seen that now this month has now kept on pushing above the level. So that is powerful. So we expect that now maybe now the next monthly candle may come again to this level to check this level, because it has been a very powerful support now in our previous like 4 or 3 months consecutively. That is powerful. So basically, that is how we go in monthly time frame. Then quickly in weekly time frame, now we see now in a weekly time frame we have a channel. Now we have a channel that is running down, so that is very powerful. And at the same time, we see now 2 weeks consecutively market has been pushing to the upside. So now this indicates that now buyers are in control of the market. And currently price is trading outside of the channel. So now this indicates that now bearish momentum is fading out. So currently now the bullish momentum is dominating the market. So last week I was talking about a retest to this level. So actually we have seen now clearly market retested the level and then continued to the upside. But the worst thing maybe with this like 2 weeks consecutively, now the worst thing is just those corrections, they are not deeper to an extent that you can do the Fibonacci and maybe catch the buys. So actually that is the worst thing with the market movement. So it has been producing those we call the shallow corrections, and then it continued to the upside now quickly. So that's the bad thing. So that's all with the weekly time frame. So before we go to daily time frame, as I'm going to lower time frames, I'm going to provide what to call an exact direction. In a 4-hour time frame, I'm going to provide an exact direction and those key levels to consider next week. So basically, I can give the highlight of the news. So we have news now, the mix of high impact and medium impact news next week. So Now we have news from Tuesday to Friday. So basically, make sure that you watch. Now you take consideration of those news hours, so you stay out of the market during news hours, or if you are in the market, so you can protect your profit. But you can watch what fundamentalists are saying, so that you can now incorporate with the technical analysis. If you find that they are correlating, so you can just trade with the combination of the fundamental and the technical analysis. So quickly in daily time frame, we see highlight of the we see now a lot of the informations there. So I have presented the key levels of support and resistance, and at the same time also I have done the wave counts, so we can have a lot of information on the probable direction for the coming week. So we see we had this support here that was retested now, and now always now this week has continued pushing to the upside. But when you look, the momentum is fading out. We see some rejections from the upside, so it is different from the previous weekend, or I mean the last previous weekend, or now this was very stronger. So now this is I mean, based on the ELLIOTT wave analysis, now mostly we expect the strongest move is just the third wave of the impasse. So actually that's why I've labeled this as the third, because now it has all the, it meets all the criteria of the third wave. So now currently market is fading out. I mean the bullish momentum is fading out. So we expect now market may reverse from the current, around the current price I mean around the current level, price may reverse to the downside. So now this is within this technical level. You see I've marked this level in white. Price has been rejected on Friday at the technical level, but at the same time now price has been rejected while approaching the technical, I mean the what to call the psychological level. So we have a 2000 level. This is the psychological level. So mostly I expect that this 2000 level, it may hold price below it. So now what's going to happen is, now market may have a little movement to the upside, and then it will be rejected to the downside. So that is possible to happen next week. But now if it happens that the price is going to break above, so we expect that there will be stronger buying momentum. But basically in 4-hour time frame, I will be providing those drawings of the possible market path for the coming week. So basically we see the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the upside. So after completion of the fifth wave to the upside, we expect that the price is going to correct to the downside. So now this correction that is expected, so it will be a movement toward retesting this level here. So we have this significant level that was broken and retested, so we can have a bigger retest to this level before price continues to the upside. But all in all, now sellers have already dominated the market move on gold. That is what's happening. So quickly, let's go to 4-hour time frame, my last time frame for the analysis. So now in the 4-hour time frame, we see the levels of support and resistance at the same time as I said in daily time frame. So now in addition, we can now clearly see the wave counts. So currently price is completing the fifth waves, which may probably be already completed up to the moment, but possibly it may have some slight movement to the upside, because I still consider the psychological level a 2000 level. So you see, so it turned around the 2000 level. So probably to other brokers it might have already touched the 2000 level, but actually it was approaching the level. So what's expected next week? So we can expect some movements to the upside, possibly to the 2000 level. It may move up to those levels, and then you see this channel marked in white. We have those running channels, the two lines. So it may now, because it was just within a channel for some time, so it may move outside the channel, and then I mean breaking the channel, and then it may retest to the upside in any way, and then resume to the downside to those levels down here. So now basically let's consider the 2000 level. And what is most likely to happen, we can see multiple rejections around this level. If price will continue to the upside, we can see multiple rejections. If not, just watch for price moving outside this channel. So once price has, maybe let me show this. So if price will straight break the level, retest to the upside, it may also go straight to the downside. So all those two movements are possible next week. So all in all, we'll be looking down. So how far price is going to correct? So it may correct to around the levels of, I mean, we have this level here. So it may be around the levels of 1920 something up to the level of 1915. Maybe mostly you can consider 1915. So around 1920 something to 1915, possibly market can go deep up to those levels. And why I'm saying the 1915 and the 1920 something, because now if you run the Fibonacci, you can see things like you can see those key levels now. Mostly price may correct to 38, 50 or 61%. So now based on the market move, and this is under influence of the fundamentals now, those things that are happening around the globe. So we see now they influence the Forex market. So basically you can find that price of gold now is rising aggressively. So now I'm not highly looking for price to hit the 61%, which is just 18 level, 1880 level. So it is very rare for price to hit those levels. Mostly I expect it to be within the 19 level. So 1916, 1915, or it can be shallow around 1920 something here, maybe 25 or 20 anything. So once we see price moving to those levels, now this will be a very key area for buying. So this will be a very key area for buying. So we'll have now we'll see those who call the powerful buys now from those levels. But you have to stay alert because we have those shallow corrections. So it may correct to certain levels here. Yeah, maybe 1945. Yeah, it is possible sometimes. So just to watch for buy opportunities once price has already corrected to those levels down here. But alternatively, it may resume to the upside, but it is very rare for price to resume straight from this level pushing to the upside. So that is what's most likely to happen next week. So actually that is all. If you have anything you need an addition, just you can write in the comment section, or you can just go to the Telegram channel. The link is in the video description. So we have a discussion group in Telegram channel where you can just write your comment if you have any suggestion maybe. So yeah, you can write there. So thank you for your time and have a great weekend.